Congratulations! Now, you are the proud owner of Cafe Desire coffee and tea vending machine. Offered by India's #1 brand of coffee and tea vending machines, Cafe Desire. This video is intended to assist in the installation of coffee tea vending machine. Vending machine. It is provided with the 3-pin plug. Must be connected to a single phase 15 amps power supply. Open the machine door with the key provided along with the machine. Remove all the white canister boxes from the machine. Place the water can over the machine. Note, while putting the water bottle, make sure the door is open to prevent the motherboard from burning by spilling water on it. Fill your desired beverage premixes like coffee, cardamom tea, lemon tea or cappuccino in the given white canister boxes. Switch on the power button located inside the door. Now the water will get warmed up. You will find the temperature on digital displays 24 degrees Celsius when you switch on the machine. You should wait for 10 minutes till water reaches the preset level of 80 degrees Celsius. Place back the canister boxes to the same place inside the machine. Open the front cap of all the canister boxes. Fix the L bends to the canisters. Place the cup tray under the machine, where the machine dispenses the coffee. Now machine ready to dispense your favorite beverages. Put the cup on dip tray. Press the button and enjoy your favorite hot beverage. Tip: for maintaining better temperature of your beverage, take hot water in your ceramic cup and throw it off. And then enjoy your hot beverage. Fully automatic coffee and tea vending machine. Brought to you by India's most trusted and #1 coffee tea vending brand, Cafe Desire.